Integration TV, brought to you by Turkish Airlines. 33 countries, 51 cities in Africa. Widen your world.
Welcome to Integration TV. We are in Mogadishu, Somalia. You know how much I love sharing the positivity of this beautiful city that has grown so much since my last trip in December 2014. The roads are different, the people are different, and right now we're actually at the world's largest embassy that the government of Turkey has ever built, and it's located right here in Somalia. So today I'm going to give you guys a tour of the Turkish embassy in Somalia, and honestly, this is probably looks like a different world when you come in here. Right now we are in the courtyard where there's like 4 different buildings surround us at the Turkish embassy, and right in front of me is actually where the ambassador lives, in this beautiful home, and where he has different dignitaries visit him, and this is kind of cool. So this is the largest embassy in the world that Turkey has ever built. All my viewers know that I did the first documentary on Turkey and Somalia, and imagine this entire embassy was not here 2.5 years ago. So this is like a milestone that the Turkish government could build something like this in such a short period of time. Imagine what we could do in Somalia, guys. Now we're gonna walk actually to where Lido Beach, where you can see it in the embassy, and it's kind of cool because you can go on the rooftop and you'll see the beach. I just arrived. I've made it in this world. What kind of view is this? Look at this. Wow. Wow. It's so windy on the rooftop here, but I want to thank you guys so much for joining me live from Mogadishu from the Turkish embassy. As you can see, Somalia way horumartay. Welcome to the new Mogadishu. This is what it's about, guys. Redevelopment and building our great nation.
Integration TV, brought to you by Turkish Airlines. 33 countries, 51 cities in Africa. Widen your world.
You know, life in Mogadishu is not all about beaches. Sometimes you just gotta walk around the district and meet some funny people. I'm actually walking in Holland district. We're about to go to the ARC hospital, and I see this guy with a donkey, and I'm like, stop the car, Chochi. Assalamu alaikum, Adel. How's tahay? Maxaa samaynaysaa maanta? Guri baad dhisaysaa?
Maya. Wax yar oo maaragtay sariir iyo laga sameeyay.
Sariir? Oh, okay. Haye? adaa samaynaya gacmahaaga?
Maya.
Qof u geynaysaa? So sida bahashan u saartay waxan dhan? Lacag rabtaa? Oh, you have to make money. Waa run qof noloshiisa inuu soo saaro waaye. Okay, si wada aniga ma kula fulaa?
Full.
Ma soo geli karaa?
Ma full ka.
What? Oh my God, hold on. Are you sure? Okay, yeah, I can do it. 1, 2, 3. Exercise time. Oh my God. Maku dhacaya. We're gonna go get a haircut because Hassan, we didn't have time to get a haircut before we left Canada. So you wanna go get your haircut in Mogadishu?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Who's the best hair cutter here? I think
I want to dye it. I want to dye my hair green.
So who's
Get green hair.
I think
aniga magacaygu Umar la yiraahdaa
haye
Gujaraan ka shaqeeya
okay okay so kala wiilkayga muxuu u baahan yahay
I want my hair green. There.
he doesn't speak English you have to talk Somali to him
Okay, you translate. I want my hair dyed green.
okay wuxuu rabaa timaha inaad line yar u samaysid line yar iyo inta
You're not saying
and he
that.
wants green hair timo green how do you say green aniga waa Somali aqooni cagaarka timaha u samayn kartaa can you dye hair
cagaar
Ha.
balaaga la sameeyo cagaarka ma
okay go so you gotta dry it.
That's dyed.
no that's it
That's dyed? No.
حب خليفة تقانا
أبي غلب أد
ها معك تقانا حب
بان إنه كمدرك شقي إنه معنا فني هاي معنا أو دكتور أو شاطر بوي هاي
سيدو وشيكي هذه مش شيكي
وشاكي نظام معنا وإن على وشاكي عبارة جو والله
هذه أنا مش شيكي ما هي كلها اللي
سيدا كل مركان شقينا وشاكي
ما حد شيكي
شيكو
الحين ما كان الله ما كميشني ماذا
ولا كفتنا ويا تمجرا كفتنا عادي
هيا
هذه وحياة بدنا نستحوذها
هيا دمر ما كهذا
يا
دمر
دمرك أنت بدن دمرك أنت لو مش شاكي وين اللشين حاسس كانوا هاي نوين كانوا هاي وهاي مركل يسكوك كان عادي لكن سيدا بدنا لو مش شاكي
اوكي ما شاء الله سو ويل كود ماي
مناسب لو شاكي
اوكي ما شاء الله سو dadka qurba joog maxaa u sheegaysaa tidiga gadaaba
wadankooda
la hadal xagga
barwaaqo yahay uu nabad yahay wadanka macnaha caadi ah uu kala socdo ya wax rabshad ay jirin Soomaaliya waa sida arkaysan waa saddex socda abiyaaladii wax iska ma jirtaa masaajidna kiistaa
ina waa sharite waa taariikhtay haya
waa meedayas ku sheegay waligay ma taariikh galgacay masaajid kiistaa
taariikh ka shay wallahi wala qurxiye runta noo sheeg hadda runta noo sheeg
kan waa leeyahay kan caadi ma ماشوا نوش ونقل شقيا سيريس ونقل كعيو
هيا
كان
هيا
مساجك وحو كداهي بيركيغا عربكيغا كددمي ولايالو waxa la qabto كفته waa
samar nigan
kan caadi maahan jaadu cunoya ومرقانسي مرقان ما تقنا مرقانسي مرقانسي ما تقنا
تعرف ما انت حاجه
فيري ومرقانسي انا ما عنا انا ما عنا لكن قاعد مرقانسي هادو افكو كوايا
يا ka garanay asaga
هادو افكو كوايا هادو افكو كوايا oo mirqaansan qof mirqaansan qof kale isku mid ma aha ninka mirqaansan hadaladiisa qorin aadi caadi ila sheekays
yeah which Khalif the rapper oh wow okay we're not going to talk about that here okay
alma haya dadka laba
so my custom wariya after story dadka jaadka isticmaala kan iyo dad badan way jiraan anaga jaadka ma isticmaalo waan shaqeynaa dadka shaqeey qaarna balwad ay leeyihiin qaarna balwad ma laha ani balwad inay saacad balwad la kaas balwad ma laha nin walba balwad buu leeyahay
dadka nin walba buu leeyahay balwadaha kale
taada sheeg
deeda ani mali
balwad malhi
balwad wax balwad
somebody's lying in the show right now okay I think balwad naaga waay
balwadeeda balwad
alright guys
balwadeeda cuntadeeda iyo reerkeyga bas wax ina cun reerkeyna ciyaaraha xataa
balwad waxay tahay wax fahmin
balwada ma xuna nin walba balwad uu leeyahay laakiin balwadaha sida footballku ciyaara jir footballka xataa
so sports balwada tahay
ma isaas ma tahay
okay guys we'll take it from there anyways thank you so much waa mahadsantahay soo dhawaysan
adiga mudan
okay hi live from Mogadishu barbershop
Integration TV, brought to you by Turkish Airlines. 33 countries, 51 cities in Africa. Widen your world.
And I'm actually right here at Hovan District, this hospital. Hovan, it's weird to have my name on a hospital in a district. It's kind of strange. So this is a hospital set up by the ARC in 2015 where women and children can come. Women can find out if they have a baby. When ultrasounds are done here, they give birth here, they provide pediatric care. So I'm going to check out what they're doing because 1 in 10 women in Somalia still die from giving childbirth, and we've learned how this can be prevented in this country. So Somalia is not all fun, guys, but sometimes we got to be serious about the issues that face our country. So let's go inside and check out the district of Hodan Hospital set up by the ARC. Okay, so we're here inside. We're gonna go check out what women do to prevent death in this country. Well, I guess what women can do to prevent death from giving childbirth. Of course, there is a big tree here, and I love Somali culture because people always come together under a tree because a tree symbolizes life and they are shade. So let's go check out the shade and what's happening here. So Abdelkader is here. He's one of the doctors here for the ARC hospital here. So we're gonna check out how the kids are weighed. This is how the baby's weighed?
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay.
Here is the clock.
Salam alaikum. How are you? You with him? No. Can I pick her? Yeah? Okay, how many? 7 kilos?
No, 6.5.
6.5 kilos.
6.5.
6.5. Okay,
This is the
mashallah.
one.
So 13 pounds, Malahas?
This is kg.
Okay, G, okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Ah, mashallah. انت ايش تاقبه ده هوي؟
كمان يكو بلاد.
صدق بلاد؟ Oh, okay.
كمان يكو بلاد.
You know what I love is that Somali moms are protective of their baby. صح معايا? That's how much we love our kids. Okay. هو your baby مكو قبل كرا. No, wait, do this. ما قبل كرا. No. هو see, وهو with accent. See, guys? She doesn't want to give me her baby. How old is he? انت بلاد كرا. Sided blood? Sadaba blood. Okay. So this baby is 7 months old. Oh, we got another one in there. Okay, we're gonna wait. Magain. Mohammed. Hi, Mohammed. Assalamu alaikum. Magain سوي قناة سفيان. Yeah. Okay. So doctor, is this one finished? Yes. Okay, come back in next. There we go. Hold on again? Like that? Okay. Move for the asaga. Whoa. Hi, Mohammed. Hi, Mohammed. Until I have okay, 7.5 second. Okay, well we'll keep calibrating like I. Okay, Mohammed, صباح. Come. Come. Okay. So I want to ask you, why don't you guys have the other scale, or like in the West, the Arut Saran? Is this easier for Somalia?
This is easier.
Okay.
This is easier.
Because when I take my baby to the doctor in Canada, they put him on a scale, weight Chufian.
Yes.
So this one is so like,
Even we have.
so cute.
This even one. Here is that.
Is right there?
Yes.
Okay. It's a difference. That's the length. What's the average a hoyo in Somali dalan in this city? What's the average? Like 5, 6, 7?
In average, Somali mother, in average, this village, it is up to 5 to 6 children.
5 to 6 children.
Yeah.
Wow.
Normal.
And you guys help them with all the children usually. They come back.
Yeah, come back.
Wow.
Yes, regularly. They come back regularly.
Okay, great. Thank you. Okay. So we're going to go to the other room, but let's check this out. So he's malnutrition because it's red. Come here, so. Aww. It's okay. Alhamdulillah. So you're going to give him nutrition after? Yeah. As soon as yeah? Hey, baby. Oh, he's smiling. MashaAllah. Huh?
Biscuits.
So you start the process now until Sinasan had that today or no? Mahas Sinasan today?
Biscuit.
Nutritional. High protein biscuit.
Yes.
And then he's going to eat that for a couple months until he gets bigger?
Yes, until he recovers.
Okay.
And we give them in a weekly.
Okay.
Every week. The second week he comes as the follow-up.
Okay.
What has changed?
Yeah.
Is he improving?
Yeah.
Is he recovering or not?
Yeah.
And we give another
Oh, okay.
of food.
Okay. Perfect. Okay. Can we give you the baby? Come, Hoya Kur'alna. Okay. Bye, Mohammed. Aww. So we saw the babies getting weighed and getting prepared, and actually there's delivery rooms here. I can't believe it. But nobody's giving a birth yet, so we can't see it. Okay. So
Mostly they come at night.
Okay, so most Somali women have the babies at night?
Yeah.
Is that a scientific study or no?
No.
I have my baby in the morning.
Yeah, it's not scientific.
I'm like, maybe I live in a different part of the world.
Yes, it is a cultural.
Yeah, so this is where all the mothers are waiting?
Yes. Here is the OTB.
OTB, okay.
Yes, nutrition area.
Okay, so نفقي سوين عروتها.
Pure.
Wow.
عليك سلامة فين قبل
السلام عليكم.
وسلامي كرتين.
هذا دل عنك? Is your baby? I was like, انت شفتها.
هوي أول.
هوي is it ولا
هوي
شيء؟
أول. Mother is sick.
The mother is sick and you brought the baby?
The older sister.
Wow. How old are you? انت شفتها?
30 years.
13 years and baby دم بحاليسا. ما شاء الله. قبل يرو قربت شوكتو صدحي تمن شرتها. ما بدقق كرتها well. She can't even wash dishes, okay? Okay, so we drove now to the Abdi Aziz district where the ARC has another hospital for mother and children, moms and kids. So Dr. Abubakar, we're going to go inside. I actually brought my son, guys, so he can experience Somalia. My son is here. Hassan, come here. He's shy. But anyways, we're going to go inside and we're going to check out the more services they're doing, right? Okay. All right, so come. Dr. Wasame, thank you for having us. I'm still amazed. Dr. Wasame, like, gabdaha Somaliyed, they have kids at such young age, you know? Like, had the gabadin, salam. Where's gabadi baby? This is, yeah. No, it's there. Yeah, this one. So she has a baby, a new baby, mashallah. First baby, and you're 16. Okay. So we just flew we were flying the drone, and the whole neighborhood came out, Abdi Aziz. And Mama, is it Halima? Rahma, I called you Halima earlier. Rahma lives in Abdi Aziz. She's lived here 27 years. 27? لا 27
لا أنا
ها أنت صدق سنة شوفتي ماشي
مايا 8 سنة
7 سنة بقى كنا ولا حاجة
كنا ماشي
أوكي من قدوشة أوكي and صدق عروض بعد الشيء إلى يومنا حالسين بقى عدمتي بأفر بعد كل شوية أفر وين wow so you have 4 kids ما شاء الله that's it okay رحمة waxay ugu tiri aniga dulbahantaan ahay adigana maxaad tahay
qolada u dhalatay
hadii maaro qolada u dhashay dulbahanta yaa ka sii tahay
jaamac siyaad
okay aniga gabadh dulbahantaan ahay
ma sha Allah baayo dhiigan
qabiil waaye Soomaali
abaayo
tal meel bay ka soo baxaan ya
ma sha Allah
gabadh reer laas caroon waan ahay
ma sha Allah abaayo dhiigan iskeen ya ba
so
ilmeyga mareexan waaye
ala me too aniga
midig waaye
anigana mareexan waaye caruurteeda
oo midig waaye kale abaayo
Soomaalida maxay qabiil isu tirsadaan qabiil kaliya mas'uul markii hore waa jeclaa hadda ma sii jeclaatay because qabiilka sii maanahay maxay igu jeclaatay because same qabiil
wala shay tahay ma sha dhiigan soo jiitay
Soomaaliya gorma qabiil laga baxaya guys qabiil gorma laga baxaya
insha Allah waa ka bixi doonaa insha Allah markii gacmaha is qabsana ka bixina insha Allah
okay waa gabadh Maxamuud Garaad maanta is helnay way jeclaatay but I hope inay igu jeclaatay gabadh Soomaali baan ahay
ma sha Allah gabadh Soomaaliya waa ii soo dhawaatay walaashayna waa tahay
yes insha Allah
ma sha Allah
bye guys from Abdi Aziz district where we find all tribes
insha Allah
even hanta laga helay meesha
Abdi Aziz soo dhawaad walaashay macaan soo dhawaad Abdi Aziz
soo dhawaad Abdi Aziz soo dhawaad
walaashay macaan soo dhawaad Abdi Aziz soo dhawaad Abdi Aziz soo dhawaad
Integration TV live from Abdi Aziz district in Mogadishu.